guys, welcome back to Wigma. So today we have a wig that comes to us from the Dashley collection. It's Lace Unit 19. I have it in Flamboyage Blonde. So what I'm telling you guys is all the just about the hair and about the care card that you pretty much know. It's from Sensationnel. You do get a deep middle part with this. So I thought I was going to really like this wig, and I'm still on the fence about it. I cannot wait to hear what you guys think about it, especially my ladies who've reviewed this wig. So I feel like this wig has a lot of potential. It's very long. If you get it in a natural color, I feel like this would look really pretty and it'll hide some of the imperfections. The lace around the front is very light. It's supposed to be HD lace. You get the normal cap construction of 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. So the middle part on it, it's about 3 inches. The hair, the way that the wave slash curl is really nice. Here's why I had the problem at. The stepchild of this wig is going to be the middle part. I couldn't get this right to save my life. Now, I don't know if it was because I have been reviewing a lot of wigs. I'm pretty sure it's not. I just could not get that middle part right. So I left a little extra lace on because I was thinking maybe I'm going to tie it down. Then I was like, okay, let me try to switch up the part just a little bit. And I just pretty much gave up because the hairs was in so deep that I couldn't get them out. So I went in and did my normal around the parting area. I was like, okay, am I going to pull some hairs out and maybe try to make some unsymmetrical baby hairs in the front, and I was able to do that. The hair does shed. It is slightly textured, but you guys, I just had some pros. I had some cons with this one. You guys, tell me if you agree with me. So here's the pros, here's the cons. Okay, so this is pretty much the final look for this for me, and I'll tell you guys, I got pros and cons. I feel like I have more cons than I do pros with this one. I really thought I was going to like it, but I don't know if it's just the hair texture, the hair pattern, or what. It's just not my cup of tea. Probably if I had it made, I guess, in a 1B, I might like it a little more. But yeah, I just feel like this middle part, it just wouldn't do right for me. I know it's supposed to be some type of HD lace. I wanted to go in and pluck this a little more, but I went in and I still felt like I wasn't, I guess, doing it justice. The knots on it is so dark. But you guys see the knots on it is so dark, so I just feel like I couldn't get it the way, excuse me, that I wanted to get it. Yeah, and then the color, I like it, but it kind of looks a little dusty up in here. I don't know why I feel that way. I don't know, because I've gotten the Flamboyage colors before, but I feel like, I don't know, it just feels a little drab. And then the hair texture on here, you feel some yakking, or you feel some texture. I hate to just say yakky. You feel a little bit of texture, but then it is a little silky. I don't know. If you guys have this one, let me know what you think about it. So I'm sure, like I said, a natural color is probably pretty because you can pull it off. Like the imperfections in it is okay. But yeah, I was thinking like, okay, do I want to? I'm gonna get my comb here. I slick it down and then pull one side back like that, and then let this side be loose, because I just felt like the parting area wasn't doing it for me. So maybe something like that where this side's more free, this over here like that, so it's more like the other side, you know, where it's just like behind my ears. Maybe something like that is how I would wear it. You could even put a beanie on with it or something and just wear it because you want, just like I said, the length of it and maybe a little bit of color. But I don't know, like I said, I'm not feeling the parting area, and the knots are just very pronounced. So anyway, this will be my review on this one. I'm kind of on the fence about it. And one way I like that you get a lot of length, because it's a synthetic wig, and so you can get some inches for the low. But then the other thing is this parting area, I just don't like it that much, and I feel like I had to work like too hard, and I didn't get anywhere with it. I don't know. So let me know if you have this one. Is it one that you have in a natural color? Let me know if you got a natural color. Other than that, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. Return to subscribe, YouTube babes. Hey girl, hey, how y'all doing? New subscribers, what's up? What's good? What's popping? I see you guys have been hitting that subscription button. Hope you're hitting the bell and all, so you'll be notified as soon as I upload, so you can stay up on what's going on the channel. I appreciate you guys as well. So if you guys decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, don't forget to tag me in it. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is Beautiebymark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.